Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'll show you how to transfer your Signal private messenger account to a new phone safely. So this is quite a complex process, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to transfer to a new phone. So let's get started without any further delay. Simply open your Signal private messenger app right there on your phone. Now after that, simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner and go to the settings option, and in here simply go and scroll down and find the chats and media. As you can see here, you can go there. Now you can also go to link devices right here at the second option, that is the link devices, and click link a new device right here, and you have to confirm it's you before linking a new device to your account. I'll simply allow this. Now you will be asked to scan the QR code that is on a new device. If you simply scan the QR code on your new device and follow the prompts to move your contacts and chat history to the new phone, it will be done automatically and instantly. Once done, your Signal account is fully activated or active on your new device, and that's how you can transfer Signal to new phone. Super easy and secure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more Signal tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.